question where it's given that in the given figure PQRS is an isosceles trapezium, right? This is an isosceles trapezium PQRS, right? This is an isosceles trapezium, right? Right? Now it's also given that PQ parallel to MN parallel to SR. All these three lines are parallel to each other, right? So I'm writing PQ parallel to MN parallel to SR. I'm writing the data is given into the question. And here, if angle SPM, right? If this angle is given to you and the measure of this angle is 70 degree, angle SPM is 70 degree. Now apart from this, another data is given to you is angle PQR is 110 degree. That is angle PQ and R. So this is given to you as 110 degree. Angle PQR is 110 degree. So let me write it. This 110 degree is this angle, right? And angle SPM is angle this angle 70 degree, right? Now we need to find the value of angle PMN. Then we need to find the value of angle PMN is what? Angle PMN is nothing but this angle. So let us say this is X. Now we need to find the value of this angle PMN, which is X degree. What is the value of this? This is the question. So students, you can see it's given the isosceles trapezium. So being an isosceles trapezium, we can say that the angles which will be in the base will be same, this one. And since PQ, MN and SR, all these are parallel to each other, then we can say that if QR is the transversal, this one, then this 110 will be equal to this one 110 degree, right? And if this is 110, then 110 plus this angle will be forming as 180. That's why this angle is calculated as 70 degree, angle R, isn't it? Now if this is 70 degree, then definitely, since it's an isosceles trapezium, this will be 70, then this angle will also be 70 degree, right? This angle will also be 70 degree. So since angle R is 70 degree, therefore angle S is also 70 degree, because it's an isosceles trapezium. Mind this, isosceles trapezium, right? Now if this is 70, then definitely the co-interior angles, the sum of co-interior angles is 180. You can see, because PQ and RS are parallel sides of the trapezium, right? Then if this is 70, then this entire angle P will be not less than 110 degree. So we can say that angle P will be equal to 180 degree, right? So in this entire angle P, you can see this angle, it consists of two parts. What are those? That is angle MPQ, angle MPQ, this one, right? Plus the second 70 degree, that is angle MPS, angle MPS. So the value of MPS is 70 degree and MPQ is not known to us, and both of these will add to 180 degree. So this will give you the value of angle MPQ as 180 degree minus 70 degree, which is equal to 180 degree, 180 degree minus 70 degree, which is equal to 110, right? So here angle P not 180 degree but angle P plus this angle S. So angle P plus angle S equal to 180 degree, and angle S is already 70 degree, right? So what we can see, 180 minus 70, 110. So the value of angle P will be 110. This one, 110. This will be 110. So 110 minus 70 will be 40 degree. Did you get it? I am saying that if angle S is 70 degree, then 70 plus this angle both will add to form 180, right? So in this way, since angle S is already 70 degree, therefore angle P is equal to 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110, right? So angle P will be 110. Angle P will be 110. How angle P will be 110? Because angle S plus angle P is equal to 180 degree, right? And angle S is already 70 degree. So this will give you the value of angle P, and angle P is calculated 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110. So this 110 is the value of angle P. This is the value of angle P, and this is nothing but 70 plus this angle. This angle is MPQ, this one. So the value of MPQ is calculated as 40 degree, right? So this is calculated as 40 degree. If MPQ is calculated as 40, then definitely what will be the value of this angle X? The sum of co-interior angles 180. If this is 40, then definitely the value of X is 180 minus 40, right? Because this line PQ is parallel to line MN, right? So we can write this 40 degree, that is the measure of angle MPQ, right? Plus this X degree, this X degree will add up to give you 180 degree, right? But the value of MPQ is 40, you can see. So from here we can write 40 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree, isn't it? And this will give you the value of X as 180 minus 40, which is equal to nothing but 140 degree. This is our answer, X equal to 140 degree. So this value, the measure of this angle X is calculated, and that is equal to 140 degree, which is our answer, right? So students, I hope you like the solution. Any doubt you can put up into the comment box, right? Now let us come to the second question. I think it's clear. Now let us go to the second question. What is the second question which we have taken for today? That there is a square. There is a square. Let's say this one. The measurement is the all the vertices are A, B, C, and D. Right? Now, for this square, it's given that for this square ABCD is a square, and it's given that MDC is an equilateral triangle. Where is MDC? M is a point over here, let us say, and here this is connected to C, and even this is connected to D. So MDC is an equilateral triangle. MDC is an equilateral triangle, right? Now here BD is the diagonal. This BD is the diagonal. Now in this question we need to find the value of angle X when X is this one. We need to find the value of X, right? Students, into this question you can see MCD is an equilateral triangle, right? So all of these angles will be equal, and the measure of all these angles will be nothing but 60 degree, right? Because for any equilateral triangle all the angles are always equal. So therefore we can say that, let's say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and this is angle 3. Then we can say that angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 will be equal to angle 3, and measure of all the three will be equal. That's why 180 degree divided by 3, which will be giving you 60 degree as the measurement of angle 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3 is 60 degree. Now this is an square. If this is an square, then definitely all the angles at the vertex will be how much? Tell me. 90 degree, right? If this is 90, then definitely the sum of the remaining two angles over here, E will be 90. I am saying this angle C, let's say this is angle 4 and this is angle 5, right? Then we can say that in the triangle BCD, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus this angle C, that is 90 degree, all will be adding up to give you 180 degree, right? This will give you angle 4 plus angle 5 as 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degree. That means angle 4 plus 5 will be giving you 90 degree, and it is also equal. 4 and 5 are equal because these are the angles opposite to the equal sides. If this BC is equal to this CD, this one, right? If BC is equal to CD, then angles opposite to the equal sides are always equal, right? So therefore, since BC is equal to CD and these are the side of a square, therefore we can say that angle 4 is equal to angle 5. If angle 4 equal to angle 5, then this equation will give you angle 4 plus angle 4. In place of angle 5, just write angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. this will give you the value of angle 4 as 45 degree, because 2 times angle 4 equal to 90 degree, and angle 4 will be coming as 90 degree divided by 2, which is coming as 45. So in this way angle 4 is calculated as 45 degree, and since angle 5 is equal to angle 4, so we can say that angle 4 equal to angle 5, and which is the value of both these angles will be 45 degree, right? So here this angle is 45, right? This angle 4, this is 45, right? Now if this is 45, and being an equilateral triangle, this angle 1 is 60 degree. So we can find this part. That means, let's say this is angle 7. This is angle 7. That means at C, the angles which are forming, let me explain very clearly. This is angle 7. The complete angle C is 90 degree, and here angle 1 is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. If this is 60 and entire angle is 90, then this angle 7 will be how much? This angle 7 will be 90 minus 60, which is equal to 30 degree. Isn't it? This will be 30 degree. Did you got it or not? If this entire, let me zoom a little so that you can understand very clearly. I am saying that at C point, at C, the entire angle is 90 degree, and here CDMC is an equilateral triangle. So that's why angle 1, this angle 1 is 60 degree. If this is 60 degree, then remaining angle, this one, this will be 90 minus 60. So that's why 30 degree is the value of this angle, angle BCM, angle BCM, right? Now if this angle is calculated to you, then what we can do, just take this triangle BCO. Let's say this is the O is the point of intersection, then this angle will be BCO, right? So we can write in triangle BCO, what will happen in triangle BCO, this angle 5 plus angle 7 plus x will be forming as 180 degree, right? Angle 5 plus 7 plus x is 180 degree, and this is angle 7. This is angle 7, right? So from here we can see, if this angle 5 is nothing but 45, angle 7 is nothing but 30 degree, plus this x, all this will be adding up to 180 degree, right? So this will give you the value of x. What is the value of x? X will be 180 degree minus 45 minus 30, right? So what will be 45 and 30? It's 75. When 75 subtracted from 180, this will give you the value, that is 105 degree. So 105 degree is the value of x. So the value of x is calculated as 105 degree. This one, this is your answer. This x is calculated as 105 degree. This is your answer. So students, I hope you like the today's session. If you find it useful, just like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.